His name is Vivier Ndirahisha. He started to see that he had the talent of drawing when he drew on papers and small painting boards. He started painting seriously in grade 7. He drew for other children, helped them with their art homework. When he decided to make it a career, he saw a guy named Kevin who used to paint at his house. When he approached him, he started with decoration and advertising posters, but he also tried other new things since 2012. Some of the problems that artists have are the lack of contracts. As a result, people who ask them for a painting can cancel at any time, which disadvantages the artist because he bought the materials himself, or when they work in groups and some don't put enough effort like the rest.
Aha rero mukugira rero dutangure gusiga, urafata gabari wakase, umva wayikase ku rupapuro rusanzwe canke ruba ari ukomana en carton canke rusanzwe, muga rusanzwe ucumanza kwanza gushira ko papier kora hejuru kugira ngo ntigishaye gishaka kubera ubwo mbugire ku yindi byo hava bica bimera nk'ibipfunyapfunya. Aha rero tugerageza kuraba yuko uyishize hagati mu kuyimanika. Umuntu agerageza kugira ibintu kugira ngo biboneke neza. Niko tushirako amagabari.
To start, you take the template you made. You make the template from normal paper or hard paper. Even cardboard can work. But if it's a small paper, you need to add tape so that the paper cannot get ruined for the next one. You then try to see if it's in the middle when you hang it. You make sure it will be visible, and that's how we put on the template. The painting part depends on you. You can use spray or cloth and paint. For the paint, use a little amount of the paint and spread it on the cloth, then dab it slowly like this. But for those who have spray and want fast things, usually people from abroad are those who no longer use the cloth and paint. But now, because ways of painting have evolved, we try to use spray so that we can save time. Now it will come out as we want it.
asigaye ko tuca tugenda ndabereke ukungene bakoresha chiffon mu gutampona na chiffon.
What is left is that we now go to see how we use the paint and cloth technique using these templates. These templates are for trash cans. This template I'm showing you are for trash cans. This one is for the big trash can, and this one is for the small trash can. I don't know if he can show you an example on the old ones that we're going to renovate. I'll put the small template on this small one and the big template on the big one. Let's go then, I'll show you how they use the cloth and paint without using spray. We even made this using the template, but we didn't use spray. All of these here, we use the template. So here when we use a chiffon, we drench it with a little bit of paint. Takes time than the spray process. Now we're done. Here we use the template, but there are some other people who use brushes. Unfortunately, you came when there was no time to use a paintbrush.
birateba gatoyi sico kimwe na spray. Finish. Muraca abahejeje. Ari ikintu mwadoje kugira gabari, ari ikindi umuntu akora akoresha penso. Nuko mwaje umwanya wo gukoresha penso atawuhari.
For example, this Jimbere for Hikes Bureau de Change, I used the paintbrush without a template. So I think that's all, nothing else.
Ndibaza ko byo ari ibyo onye. Sawa. Nawaza kama nimemaliza. Hapo sipa kamera. Sawa sawa. Aba turamaliza.
My job includes drawing. as you sew.
urumva
It's to draw on papers and you add tape if you have to use it on many
ucapa
things. That way
mwabibonye ko ari
it
gucapa
won't
ku
get
mpapuro
ruined. Because most of the time we use cardboard papers. That way they'll be more resistant. So when someone has a lot of things to paint on, they stick it with tape and use spray or chiffon and normal paint. That way things will go well.
agashifon n'irangi risanzwe kugira ngo ibintu bigende neza.
So if someone wants room decor or any other advertising poster, we can help them. And for those who want to work with me, welcome. I welcome you because I also didn't learn it. I was given it for free. I approached others and they approached me. I also want that I can pass this talent to others so that they can help themselves and their families, so that we won't be thieves. I also tell young people to love working, and those who see that they have talent, they shouldn't let it go to ruin. If you see that you can draw, start trying right there. You can do it.
kandi ubona yuko afise impano ntayipfisha ubusa, ubona ko afise impano ntayipfisha ubusa, ubona ko ushoboye gucapa, ugerageze aho nyene urashobora gushobora. Ego nta birebire mfise novuga, gusa ndabashimiye cyane kubadukurikiye.
I don't have much to say, but I thank those who followed us, continued, and use your talents like how we used our talents.
Rero iyo ntaronse naho akazi, umwanya sindawupfisha ubusa, ncamba ndaraba ko hari udukorwa nokora, kwa muzi ko ari ibintu byo gucapa, ncamba ndaraba utumba ndacapa duke tumwe canke nkagenda ahantu mw'isoko nkazunguruka nkaraba.
If I don't have a project, I don't waste time. I do other stuff, draw some things or go somewhere like markets and ask if there are people who want their vest or t-shirt to be drawn on, and I can draw for them. Or I can miss something to do.
Ariko nkaca mpamagarira cyane aba bantu bafise ubuzi bagerageze kutwibuka.
I also ask the leaders to help us and remember us. We're together with Vivier Ndirahisha and Sarah of Linox TV. Thank you.